Come test drive the 2018 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, driver lumbar, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.